morning bike ride. And it's gonna be a beautiful morning. This is Kevin. Kevin's ready to go. Have Chuck's bike here. Chuck is here. Good morning. Get it done. Good morning.
Oh. You know, I had that.
Look at this group.
Zipper did something to where it was zipped up at the top, but the bottom was open. I was like, I ain't wanted to happen to me out here.
Ooh.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kevin. Happy birthday to you. Man, what a way to celebrate. Yay! It's turning 24 again. All right. Got ourselves a flat.
It's not going in. Get this.
Ray, tell me about your bike.
Got a new bike, so I'll be doing more triathlons this year. Well, one big one this year, but
Which
I
one
gotta
are you
get
gonna
my
do?
use out of it. I'm gonna do Wilmington.
Yes, me too. Right. Beautiful.
Joey, you should have signed up.
It's not too late. Oh, it is too late now, actually.
It doesn't matter. I wouldn't have signed up anymore.
It's sold out already. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Are you guys going?
We're in.
Let's do it. All right. We're gonna have a crew.
She can still get in.
What are you talking about? You're out here in your daddy's shoes.
Well, I'm wearing my daddy's shoes. Come on. Only because of the debris. To do the
Spacey, I've been lost inside a daydream. These hopes of mine could really break me or catch me by surprise. Faces, sun-kissed skin inside a basement. LA kids just trying to make it before the next sunrise. So who's that knocking at your door?